Yes, now just imagine how difficult it was to transfer the messages from one place to another place in older times. But these days, the transformation of messages from one country, even from one country to another country, is really very easy now. So we have completed the reading from this to from here to here. So now I have written some meanings, some meanings of some words that I feel that you should know the meaning of these words. So here are the words. Firstly, we read the word communication. Communication was very different earlier. So the meaning of communication means talk, chat, बातचीत करना, बातें करना, communicate, converse करना, conversation. Different, अलग अलग, different तरीके, different ways. Over time, as the time passes, we have read the word over time here. So over time means as the time passes, जैसे जैसे time pass होता गया, time बीतता गया, वैसे वैसे humans invented different ways to communicate. Then next word is human insan, person. We all are the human beings, so human means person. Invented means to discover new things. Invented, discovered, खोजना कुछ नए तरीके से. Now जैसे कि today in these days communication is very easy because of the invention of the mobile phones. तब in older times there were no mobile phones, so at that time conversation was really difficult. So invented means discovered, खोजना. देन वेज होते हैं मोड्स, तरीके, मेथड्स. देर आर डिफरेंट वेज टू कम्युनिकेट नाउ, बट इन ओल्डर टाइम्स पीपल यूज टू राइट लेटर्स. वेज, मोड्स, तरीके और मेथड्स वी कैन से. अर्लियर, अर्लियर मीन्स बिफोर, पहले. इन ओल्डर टाइम्स, इन प्रीवियस टाइम्स. एंसेंट टाइम्स मीन्स इन ओल्डर, अर्लियर, पुराने टाइम में, बिफोर. देन पीपल होते हैं लोग, क्राउड. वी ऑल आर पीपल. हम लोग देखते हैं. पीपल इन द मार्केट, पीपल इन द सिटी, पीपल इन द कंट्री. तो दैट इज़ पीपल, लोग. राइट, when we are writing something, लिखना. When your ma'am says to you, do in clean writing, write in your notebook. So this is writing, लिखना. Then letters, we will discuss about letters in this chapter in the next topic. Let us see what is the meaning of letter. पत्र, आपके मैम बोलते हैं ना, in English also you write letters to your principal, to your or you can also write letters to your uncle. जो भी आप बर्थडे गिफ्ट के लिए कोई लेटर लिखते हो, then you will be in higher classes, then you will come to know about the letters. लेटर्स, पत्र. ईच अदर, वन अनदर, एक दूसरे को या एक दूसरे से. ईच अदर, एक दूसरे के साथ. दे आर फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर, वो एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ रहे हैं. दे आर प्लेइंग विद ईच अदर, वो एक दूसरे के साथ खेल रहे हैं. सो नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज टुडे. टुडे मीन्स आज. टुडे, प्रेजेंट, इन प्रेजेंट टाइम. टुडे, अगर हम आज की बात करें, इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टाइम, देन दैट मीन्स टुडे. टुडे इज़ अ फ्राइडे या टुडे इज़ अ ट्यूसडे, टुडे इज़ अ वेडनेसडे, जो आज है. देन नंबर ऑफ वेज मीन्स डिफरेंट वेज. there are different ways to communicate in these days. There are number of ways to communicate with our friends, relatives and family members who are living apart from us, who are living in different countries. Number of ways are there to communicate. We can communicate with them through phone calls, video calls, through mobile phones. So easily we can talk with them. Number of ways, in different ways means बहुत सारे तरीके. Then world is दुनिया. We are living in a world, दुनिया, globe, world, दुनिया. Then just, we have read the word just, बस, अभी, now. अभी, I have just arrived, मैं अभी पहुंचा हूँ. I have just arrived. I will do that, या अभी जो अभी के लिए हुआ है, I just arrived. away means apart, दूर. They are living away from us, वो हमसे दूर रहते हैं. They are living away, दूर रह रहे हैं. apart, अलग रह रहे हैं. away, apart, दूर. information is a knowledge, जानकारी. तो what is information? knowledge, जानकारी. any part means from anywhere. हमने एक लाइन भी रीड की थी. we can Today the world is just a phone call away and we can dial a number to get information from any part of the world. So any part means from anywhere, दुनिया का कोई भी part, from anywhere. Then countries, what are countries? We are living in which country? What is the name of our country? The name of our country is India. Countries means nations, desh, country. If we are talking about so many nations, so many countries, then we will use the word countries. And if we are talking about one country, like India is our country, so country. Countries, nations, like India, US, China, Australia, there are so many countries in the world. And next word is let us learn about. तो ये हमने रीड किया था, ये हमने अभी रीड किया था. Let us learn about some old and new methods of communication. So let us learn about, चलो हम सीखते हैं. इसके और एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. let us को हम how we can use the word let us do this. चलो हम ये करते हैं, चलो ये करते हैं. let means चलो करते हैं, us हम करते हैं. let us do this, let us go, चलो चलते हैं. Then the word is old. Old means पुराना. New means नया. Old पुराना, जो पुराना है. New कोई न्यू चीज़, नया. आप न्यू साइकिल लेके आते हो. So these are some of the words that we read in this paragraph. So I'm going to underline these words now. We have read the meaning of communication, and then very means बहुत, was past में, different number of ways, अलग तरीके. earlier in older times, over times पुराने टाइम सॉरी, जैसे जैसे टाइम चलता गया, as the time passes, humans इंसान होते हैं. then invented means to discover something, कुछ खोजना, कुछ नई चीज़ इन्वेंट करना, डिस्कवर करना. Now जैसे मोबाइल फ़ोन्स डिस्कवर्ड हो गए हैं in these days. In the older times there were no mobile phones, so conversation with friends and the people who were living apart from us, away from us, was very difficult. Different, again same word, different ways, तरीके, methods, modes to communicate. Then earlier in older times people, लोग, used to, करते थे, write letters, क्या करते थे? people used to write letters to each other, एक दूसरे को. पुराने टाइम में earlier people used to write letters to each other. Today we have a number of ways to communicate. number of ways, बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. we have done the meanings of all these words to communicate. Then next is today, आज. The world is just a phone call away. phone call की बात है, phone call की दूरी है. we can talk with anyone in this world by just dialing a number. away means दूर, apart. अभी किया था हमने ये word away, apart, दूर, away. Then next is we can dial a number to get information from any part of the world. दुनिया के किसी भी हिस्से से information लेने के लिए, to get knowledge from any part of the world, we can just dial a number and we can get the information. Then we can make video calls. Yes, we can easily make video calls. हम बातें भी करते हैं video calls पे for our siblings, for our brothers sisters who are not living with us and who are living in any other city or in any other country. We can make video calls to talk with them and talk to people sitting in different countries. let us learn about, चलो पढ़ते हैं, चलो सीखते हैं, क्या? some old and new methods of communication. some old and new methods of communication. old means कुछ पुराने और कुछ नए तरीके of communication. of what? of communication, बातें. जैसे आजकल हम मैसेजेस कन्वे करते हैं, उसके हम अभी क्या पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट में? some old and new methods of communication. Now we will start our next topic, letter. I hope up to this paragraph the reading is clear to you all. Now we'll start reading the topic of letters.